In my hands I held the world on a Tuesday in November. It was cold, but that's not why I shiver. I put my faith in a cardboard box, shipped it away with my brother. And on the long ride to Arkansas, I watched them dance around my head, barely breathing. In a landslide, I don't think I would notice if the water rose up above my eyes. Save me, I'm losing my ground in a landslide. I turn the TV on loud so that I won't feel alone, and to stifle the words of an ignorant man out my window. I found God in a green room and a snake in the West Coast. With all of the plans, I would a voice of reason. I was barely breathing in a landslide. I don't think I would notice if the water rose up above my eyes. Save me, I'm losing my ground in a landslide. In a landslide. In a landslide. I don't think I would notice if the water rose up above my eyes. Save me, I'm losing my ground in a landslide. In a